If you are a blogger and want your blog to rank quickly on Google, you need to use SEO, search engine optimization, correctly. Without SEO, your content will not be properly indexed by search engines, and you will not get organic traffic. In this article, we will explain all the important aspects of SEO tips for blogger in detail. What is SEO and why is it important for bloggers? SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It is a process where we optimize our website or blog for search engines, Google, Bing, Yahoo, so that it ranks higher and gets organic traffic. The main goal of SEO is to bring your blog to the top position for relevant keywords so that users can easily find your website. Why is SEO essential for bloggers? Increases organic traffic. SEO helps bring free traffic to your blog without using paid ads. Improves Google ranking. If you apply SEO techniques correctly, your blog can appear on the first page of Google. Builds credibility and trust. Blogs that rank at the top gain more trust from users. Helps generate revenue. An SEO optimized blog can earn money through affiliate marketing, ads, and sponsorships. Provides long-term benefits. Once implemented correctly, SEO continues to provide benefits over the long term. 1. How to do keyword research. The most important part of your blog is keyword research. If you do not target the right keywords, your content will not rank. You can use these techniques for keyword research. Google Keyword Planner, a free tool that helps you find the best keywords. RFs and SEMrush, paid tools that show competition and keyword difficulty. Google Suggest and People Also Ask, helps find trending and low competition keywords. Use LSI keywords, these are related keywords that help in content ranking. You should naturally include keywords in the content and use the SEO tips for blogger focused keyword at least 20 times. 2. Write high quality content. Google ranks only those blogs that have unique, informative, and user-friendly content. Keep these points in mind while writing content. The content should be at least 1,500 to 2,000 words long. Naturally use the focus keyword SEO tips for blogger. Use simple and easy to read language. Add practical examples and case studies. Use bullet points and headings correctly. Avoid plagiarism by using tools like Copyscape. 3. Optimize on-page SEO. On-page SEO plays a huge role in improving your blog's ranking. Consider these factors. Title tag. Always include the main keyword SEO tips for blogger in the title. Meta description. Write a short and engaging meta description, 150 to 160 characters. Heading tags, H1, H2, H3. Maintain a proper heading hierarchy. Image optimization. Use alt tags and proper file names for images. Internal linking. Add links to your old blogs and new posts. Outbound links. Provide links to high authority websites. 4. Focus on technical SEO. Technical SEO enhances your website's performance and speed. Keep these technical factors in mind. Improve website speed. Use Lightspeed Cache or WP Rocket for fast loading speed. Mobile-friendly design. Google prefers mobile-first indexing. Install SSL certificate. HTTPS secured websites rank better. Use schema markup, important for rich snippets. 5. Backlink building strategy. Backlinks help increase your blog's authority. You can get high-quality backlinks using these strategies. Guest posting. Write guest posts on high DA, domain authority, websites. Broken link building. Replace broken links on other websites with your content. Social media promotion. Share your blog on Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Q&A websites. Share your blog link on Quora and Reddit. Conclusion. If you want your blog to rank quickly on Google, you must follow SEO tips for blogger. Keyword research, high-quality content, on-page SEO, backlinks, and technical SEO are all important factors. With patience and regular optimization, you can bring your blog to the top ranks. If you found this guide helpful, share it and improve your blogging experience.